Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. This will be a Sudoku Heavy in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, September the 11th, 2020. The second regular Sudoku is a Sudoku Heavy. How heavy is this one? I'm very curious how heavy this will be. This Sudoku will be number 1505. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so you have a kind of indication of the difficulty level with the extra Sudokus in additional. The 1-star Sudoku has 27 printed digits. The 4-star Sudoku 24 printed digits. Let me count how many printed digits this Sudoku Heavy has. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. So it will be a 4 stars Sudoku. So I hope I will solve this within 30 minutes because for a 4-star Sudoku I need at least 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan. Alright. 5. Yes. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. So no 5 in these two boxes. There are 5, no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here or could be there in this row. So we have a 5 in this row, a 5 in one of these two boxes in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now we have in the first column 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left in this column for the number 1 should be there. So the 2 is missing in the first column. The 6 is missing. And the 9 is missing. I see here the 2 and the 6. So this box cannot be the 2 and the 6. 1 digit left should be the 9. The 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you because it's a pair in a big square. Alright. Alright. 1. Yes. In this row, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 9. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 9 are left. We have a 1 here in this big square, so no 1 in that box. 1 should be there, and the 9 goes here. And then 3. Yeah. Then 4, 6, 8. Alright. 8, 3. We have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 and a 3 here in this row. So no 8 and a 3 in these two boxes. The 8 and a 3 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you. 8 and a 3. It's a pair. Pair number 1, 2 and 6. Pair number 2, 8 and a 3. And pair number 4. The 4 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. So, and now. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. The other is a 4. And a 7 is missing also. No, I need to wait. Let me think. 7, 4. 7, 4. And a 5. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. 3 of those numbers are the 7, the 4, and the 5. 7, 4, and a 5. We have in this row the 7, 4, and a 5. That means the 7, 4, and a 5 cannot be in these two boxes. The 7, 4, and a 5 goes in those 3 boxes. 7, 4, and a 5. Let me begin with the 5 because I see here 5. So no 5 in these two boxes. There are 5, no 5 in that box. Here 5, no 5 in this box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So the 7 and the 4 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark them for you. 7 and a 4. It's a pair. It's a pair. It's a pair. That means the other two boxes in this big square should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and 2. It's a pair. It's a pair. The second pair in this big square. That means we have a 2 in this row in one of those two boxes. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 6. And this should be a 2. 1 box left in this third row for the number 9. 9 is missing. Alright. And then we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be here. And now we have a pair. We have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them. It's a pair. It's a pair. That means the other pair should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then let me see. Nine in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be there and 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 3. Then 1, the 6. 6. No. 1. Alright, I need more numbers. These 3 numbers in this big square are the numbers 2, the 8, and the 7. 2, 8, and the 7. 2, 8, and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We see here 2 in this column, 2 in that middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. Here 5. No 5 here. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And now we have 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. That means 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 4 and this should be a 7. 1 box left in the first row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. And now 4, 6, 7, 3. I need more numbers. How about these 3 numbers in this column? The 2 is missing. The 4 is missing. We see here 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column above. So in that column, 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So on the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Yes. 1 and 2 are missing in the second column. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then these 3 numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 9 is missing. We see here the 3 and the 9. So no 3 and the 9 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 5. The 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 boxes? No, I cannot fill this yet. Because those are the 1 and the 7. The 1 and the 7 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 2. and these two should be the 7 and the 8 are missing in this big square. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. In exactly 16 minutes. I'm very pleased because I have solved this 4-star Sudoku within 30 minutes. So I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up or thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, you can also subscribe. You can subscribe only if you like, only if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. So bye bye for now.